Well, g'day everyone. This is a little bit of a different video today. I'm just going to talk to you briefly about an idea that I've just had, and there's a couple other things I want to tell you as well. The first one is that I haven't been doing much flying lately. I've just spent a couple of days in hospital after being basically bitten by a dog. It wasn't my dog, and I've still got some ongoing things with that. So for all of you that have wished me all the best and get well soon, thank you very much. I'm on the mend hopefully, and should be back flying shortly. Yeah, I've got some birds in the background you might be able to hear. They seem to love my voice. Never mind, that's okay. And at the end of this video, if you stay tuned, I'm going to show you the setup. Just out of curiosity, I'm just trying something. The setup that I'm using to film this video. It's a little bit different. And it does involve a camera that everyone loves true to their heart. Is that the right way to put it? Anyway, it's dear to their heart. Everyone raves about this camera, and I'm proving its usefulness and capability right now doing this video, something a different way. Hope you're enjoying the video in the background. This was from a recent flight. I should have actually fast forwarded it, but if you want to see this video, it's about Cassie flying to Fraser Island. It's a risky, uncut, full-length 2-hour video, so we won't be watching it all now anyway, will we? Anyway, the main reason I've come to you with this video tonight, this afternoon, this evening, today, wherever you are, whatever time it is, hopefully we start taking off soon in the back of the video here, but like I said, you can watch it later. Alright, so the title, what's that about? So I've got my notes here. I'm going to refer to those because I want to get this right, and it's all about you guys, and we're all going to help each other out. The title, Calling All YouTube Creators and YouTube Subscribers. Now that's you and me. If you are here watching this video now, then you must either enjoy watching aviation videos or be actively involved in aviation yourself. Okay, so that's the first thing to consider right now. You might also be somebody that perhaps produces videos of your experience in aviation adventures, stories, whatever it is, so that you can share them around the world with others that would also enjoy them on social media such as YouTube, as I am now. Alright, so that's a couple of things. Just bear with me a second. So we're here because I want to extend an invitation to you as YouTube creators, or maybe subscribers, probably more the creators actually. If you are a creator and you have a channel, I want you to be able to tell me what the channel is, what its name is, and we want to be able to promote that channel in some of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so all you got to do is in the comments below write the channel name and let me know that you want a free plug, no strings attached. We want to promote aviation videos on YouTube and get people to see what we're up to. Let's experience aviation on a worldwide scale. So let's help each other out and bring everyone else that's interested along on our flying experiences, aviation adventures, and let's just promote what we're doing and show our videos. I know how hard it is. I've worked at this for a while now, and as video creators we sometimes wonder, we put so much effort with aviation, there's costs involved in producing a video, isn't there? And we put so much effort into doing that. Sometimes we wonder, I guess, if it's worth it. The point is too though, the funny thing is, the more I do this, and the reason I'm doing this right now, is I have an idea and then I think of how can I actually create a video from that, and I actually enjoy, believe it or not, I'm enjoying the process of creating these videos now. It's more enjoyable now than it was at the beginning. at the beginning I just wanted to make sure people were seeing the videos, but now it's become a case of I like people to show me that they're seeing the videos, but I also like the fact that they can enjoy the videos, and I enjoy creating them for you to share my experiences. It's a shame that we can't enjoy other people's flying. However, I've only got one passenger seat in my aircraft, and you're probably similar to me unless you fly a GA aircraft or you're an airline pilot or something like that. And if that's the case, you really can only show or share that flying experience with your passenger at the time. But by creating videos, we can share it with the world, and I think that's the most powerful thing we can do. So, what's stopping you? Share your channel link below. Tell me that you want to. It's important that you tell me that you want me to give you a free plug, and I will. And I'll put that comment on future videos. We'll have a little segment once a month. These are the guys that want to promote their video channels. This is what their video channel is about. Go and check it out. Now, as promised at the beginning of this video, I said I'd show you my camera setup. I'll do that for you right now. So check this out. You'll be quite surprised. Basically, I'll tell you what it is, and here's a picture of it now. It's the Sony FDR x3000. It's about 3 years old now. It still does a great job. I'm filming this in 4K 100 megabits per second, high quality, and it's on digital zoom, and I'm using an external Rode Lavalier. No, it's not a Rode, it's a gun, it's a shotgun type microphone, an external microphone, so hence the audio is pretty good. But how versatile is this camera? It's awesome. Anyway, here's the credits. Here's some of what I've been up to in the past. Go and watch another video. We've got some interesting things coming up soon. I've just taken a friend flying at sunset around this beautiful place we call Hervey Bay. That's Maryborough, what you're seeing in the background. We're just departing the airport down the river out to Fraser Island over the back. Hervey Bay's over on the left-hand side there. So we had a good fun. If you want to watch the whole video, Cassie goes flying Fraser Island. It's something like that. We went to Watumba Creek, 2-hour flight, had some fun times, very scenic video. I've waffled on enough. Thanks for watching. Catch up with the next video. We've got some other events coming up this year. I mean, honestly, this year's been atrocious for events. We've had bad weather every time there's been an event. There's supposed to be like a fly-in for breakfast this weekend. It's a good one. Hope the weather's going to be okay, but it's forecast for not so good. Again, I'm going on. There's so much going on. There's so much happening. Enjoy aviation. Talk soon. I look forward to seeing your comments, and see you next time.
Maryborough traffic, truck 6340, enters, lines up, rolls runway 12, Maryborough traffic.